when I need to edit or I need to upload, this just is the most simplest, straightforward way to edit, upload, and you'll see at the end it gives you an option to upload to a bunch of different platforms, but normally the main platform is YouTube. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So this is the right here the video that I want to upload to YouTube and the video that I want to edit. And inside Clipchamp, it gives you options to edit the audio and edit the video, and even detach the audio, so you can keep messing with both the audio and the video. So go to import media. I already imported it, but it was that one, as you can see, is March 27. And once it's uploaded, just drag and drop, and you can see, there you go. Oh, that's loud. And that's what I'm going to be editing. And you see, it gives you an option to detach the audio as well. And I like that because once it gets to the section where the alarm turns off, that's where I'm going to split the audio. So it's going to be split into two sections. But I need it detached. I need it separate from the video. And again, this makes it so simple. And that's why I really wanted to make this video, because if you're new to creating YouTube videos or uploading content like this, oh man, this is just a time saver, and it's very user friendly. Especially if you're messing with audio. I tried to use Audacity, and it was a little bit more intensive. You need to do a little bit more videos, or like a little bit more training behind it. But this is okay. Just one button here, and you can edit the volume right here. You edit speed, right? Everything's just super simple. Everything's just right in the application itself, and it looks like it's about to get there. It is. Got to the point where, let's pause it, where the alarm went off. So right here, we got to detach the audio first. And you see 319, and now you see on the bottom it has a second section. So your audio is now its own file, its own separate thing. So it's still marked at the 319 part. And now I have the audio selected. Let's hit split. There you go. And this first section was the alarm. The second section is now let's listen to it. It's just me talking. So what I want to do is I want to have this first section be at like the whole entry, that however long it is, 130, a minute 30. I want that to be at a lower volume, and then it fades into a higher volume. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go to that. I have the first one selected, and I want it to, let's go to, I don't know. Let's see what it sounds like at 26. It's at 25 right now. There you go. You see that? It went from that basically 75% reduction. So right now it's at 100% volume. And when I split it, I was able to get that first split into a reduced amount of 75%. So this first split is reduced by 75%, which is perfect because it's that annoying alarm piece. And then it went directly into the second piece of the audio into 100%. So you hear that, so it's perfect. So that is one of the reasons why I like to use Microsoft Clipchamp, and I think that you should be using it, especially if you're trying to just start in uploading content. This is just it just makes everything much more easier. If you wanted to put background music, again, import media, whatever audio. Again, if this was an audio, a different one, let's just rename it. Just say music, right? And then we'll select it. And then, let's see. Come on. It's not importing for some reason. All right, I know that I have something in here. It's my favorite go-to song. There we go. Let's say you wanted to put background music. Mm-hmm. Okay. So I don't like. How about that? I don't like that. It's not a smooth transition. So there you go. This is pretty much why, as a beginner for uploading YouTube videos and audio editing, just basically it's a powerhouse for everything. If you're trying to just break into uploading content and uploading videos to YouTube, I highly recommend using Microsoft Clipchamp. And let's just get to the last bit of actually uploading it to YouTube. Go to export on the top right. I like to do the highest quality that I possibly can, so 1080, right? So the title of the video is going to be water sensor alarm, and it's backing it up for me and creating a video, and it's gonna download to my it's gonna go into my downloads, and then see here on the left, it gives you so many options for where you want to additionally upload your content. Save it to Google Drive, TikTok, Dropbox, but there it is. So easy for YouTube. Water sensor alarm gives you a progress report. This video is made with Clipchamp. Just update it. Public. Let's say education. Keywords. Editor. How to use Clipchamp. Finally. No, it's not made for beginners or not made for kids. And then go ahead and click upload. Look at that. Beautiful. Now it's uploading directly to YouTube. It's going to give you a URL. Be able to look at that as well. And if you're wondering what program or software that I'm using to record my videos, I use OBS Studio. There we go. Copy link. Let's take a look where it's at. Oh, okay. Give it a little bit. All right. But it's uploaded to YouTube. You're just gonna have to come back and check on it later. But that's it. You can share it to LinkedIn, again, Dropbox, TikTok, YouTube. Yeah, I find this the most convenient, fastest way to record your videos, upload, and edit. Yeah, hopefully this helps.